the maximum batch size is 6 student. एक बैच में मैक्सिमम 6 स्टूडेंट रहेंगे, 6 से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स नहीं रहेंगे. सबको हर इंडिविजुअल स्टूडेंट्स को अटेंशन मिलेगा. यस, a dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per as your school examination and also handle custom requirements. Our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report. Students can take Swiflearn academic test series. It is a scholarship test which is conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. where students can win scholarship up till rupees 1 lakh. Students can take unlimited practice tests and this practice test will be subjective test for your school examination. So book a free trial class today. Yes, students, those who are new, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon. Okay, so you will never miss an update. And today's topic of discussion is constructions 2. This chapter is for 9th standard. Okay, the further part is also there for 10th standard, which I will be teaching you today around 11 a.m. Okay, so Shashank Sir, welcome you all for today's class. Yes, so today's objective is we will recall whatever we have studied in the previous class. जैसे कि we will recall how to make and how to construct an angular bisector, how to construct a perpendicular bisector, and learn about constructions of triangles. Triangles कैसे बनाते हैं? Okay, that we will learn. So yes, so in the last class we have discussed about the bisector and perpendicular bisector. So can you tell me what is a bisector of an angle? So angular bisector or bisector of an angle is the one which divides the angle into equal parts. So bisects means dividing a line or something into equal parts. Therefore bisector of an angle means the line that splits an angle into equal parts. एक एंगल है, कौन सा भी एंगल ले लो, कौन सा भी डिग्रीज का, से 50 डिग्रीज, 25 डिग्रीज, 60 डिग्रीज, any degree, any measure. Okay, and if you draw a line which will divide the angle into equal parts, so that we call as a angular bisector. So yes, can you define how two lines can be perpendicular? Yes, two lines can be perpendicular if the angle between them, okay, if angles between them are 90 degrees. A line is perpendicular to another if it meets or crosses it at right angles. Yes, right angles is nothing but 90 degrees. So can you define a triangle? Yes, students, what is a triangle? A triangle is a geometrical figure which has three sides, three interior angles and three vertices. So this is what is a triangle. Okay, triangles can be defined as a closed figure with three angles. Yes, the sum of measures of interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. Yes, ये हमें पता है, sum of interior angles in a triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. Now, can you tell me something about the similarity of the triangles? When do we call two triangles are similar? Yes, triangle can be, okay, this is over. Okay, so true triangles are similar. Okay, two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Compulsory angles equal hona chahiye and side should be in the same ratio. So this side by this side is should be equal to this side by this side should be equal to this side by this side should be in the same ratio. Then only we can see those are in those triangles are similar. Okay, if the sides are also same, we call them congruent. But if they are in ratio, we call them an We call those triangles as similar triangles. Yes, there are criteria for similarity of a triangle. What are those criteria? We have studied this, which is AAA criteria. Okay, side angle side criteria, side triple side criteria, triple angle criteria. Okay, so these are the criteria. So angle. If in two triangles the corresponding angles are equal, then the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Hence the two triangles are similar. Okay, क्या बोलते हैं देखो यहाँ पे. Yes. Okay. Oh, let me show this in some software. Okay. Yes. Now see, there is a triangle here. Now I have drawn another triangle. Okay. Yes. I have two triangles here and their corresponding angles. See, this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. And this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. This angle is equal to this angle. Their corresponding angles are equal. If the corresponding angles are equal, we can say these two triangles are similar and their sides, if this is a triangle ABC and this is a triangle PQR, so side AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Okay, their sides are in the ratio. This we can tell. Yes. So this is what this is triple A criteria. Now triple S criteria. What are triple S criteria? If in two triangles the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay, in the same ratio, then the corresponding angles are equal, hence the triangles are similar. देखो यहाँ पे, let us go back to the software. Okay, let us take these two triangles, again the same triangles, ABC and PQ. Now A is 6, B is 7, CE is 8. Okay, PQ is say 3, QR is 3.5, PR is 4. Now check this. AB by BC, AB by PQ. How much is that? That is 6 by 3, that is 1, 2 by 1. Okay, BC by QR. This is R. So yes, that is 7 by 3.5, that is also 2 by 1. And AC by PR, that is also 2 by 1. Now all the sides, are they in same ratio? Yes, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to CA by RP. They are in the ratio 2 is to 1. If the two triangles, their sides are in the same ratio, then we can say the angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle. So the angles are equal and hence these two triangles are similar. This is what we can say. Yes. So this is what is triple S criteria for similarity. Now we have one more criteria, which is side angle side. If one of the angle of the triangle is equal to another angle of the triangle and the side includes this angle are in same ratio, then the two triangles are similar. Yes, we have learned this criteria in the previous chapter. Okay, yes. In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Yes, we have studied this Pythagoras theorem. Now, watch this video and understand how to construct triangles. Pay attention over here. Yes. So about the
In this
audio, can you
video,
hear
we're
the
going to look at
audio?
the
I
three
think so.
different
You
types
can
of
hear the
triangle
audio.
construction. We are mapping together clusters of stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way. You need to have three properties to construct a triangle. These could be side, angle, side, angle, side,
Okay,
angle,
see, this is
or all
side
three
angle
sides.
side. Two sides
You will
should
need a
be
ruler,
same and this
compass,
should be straight.
protractor, and
Okay,
pencil.
so these are the instruments required to construct
This
any
cluster of stars
geometrical
here are
figure.
10 light years that way, 8 light years that way, and have an angle of 75 degrees. How can we construct that triangle accurately on our map? Start by drawing the 10 light year line and label it as 10.
Okay,
With a protractor, measure 75 degrees from the line and make a mark.
now how can we
Now, along that
construct
line,
a
measure 8
triangle
light years
accurately in
and
our
join up the
map?
triangle.
Okay, so if two sides
So
and
there,
the
we have drawn
angle
a
is
side angle
given,
side
this is how
triangle,
we can draw
just
this
using a ruler
triangle
and a protractor.
in your map.
So let's now look at how to construct a triangle when we know an angle, a side, and another angle. This solar system is 2 light years in length,
Now,
with a
side
40
angle
degree
side,
and
okay.
70 degree
How to
angle.
use this?
What does this
How
look like
side
on the
angle
map?
side is used?
So
Pay
start by
attention
drawing
over
the
here.
line of length 2 with a
Okay,
ruler.
so we have two angles,
And
okay,
then
which is
using a
40
protractor,
and
measure the
70.
40
So
degree
draw
angle at one
those
end
angles,
and
40
the
and
70 degree
70.
angle
That's
at the
all.
other end.
Join them.
And where these two lines cross
Okay,
give
so
you the
we have
triangle.
a
So
side
there, we have
angle
just drawn an angle, side, angle
or
triangle, just
angles.
using a
No,
ruler
we
and a
have
protractor.
angle side
Simple.
angle. Two angles and the
So now
included
let's
base
look at how to
side.
construct a
So
triangle when
yes,
we know the length of
so
all
triple
three
S and
sides.
all I have
For
explained
this, you'll
you.
need to use a compass.
Okay, so we
A
will see
huge
this
asteroid
video
is
at
heading
the
our
end.
way.
If you like
Okay. Yes. Now, we have studied about the criteria of the triangle in the previous chapter also we have studied, and now also we have revised, okay, about the criteria of the triangle on the angle basis. But if we we have not studied the given the base angle, or there is a difference in the sides of the triangle. Okay, this we have now studied. Now, how are we going to construct a triangle based on this information? देखो यहाँ पे there can be three cases. In a triangle, its base, a base angle, and the sum of other two sides are given. ये एक case है. Yes, in a triangle, a base angle, and the difference of the two sides. ओके एक साइड दिया है, एक वो बेस, एक उसको बोलते हैं हम बेस, बेस दिया है, फिर एक बेस एंगल दिया है, एंड दे हैव गिवन सम ऑफ द अदर टू साइड्स, or they have given the difference of the other two sides. So how to construct this? How to construct this? Okay, so in a triangle, its perimeter and its two base angles are given, means the sum of all the three sides they have given and two base angles they have given. Yes, good morning Shruti, good morning, how are you today? So this three cases के ऊपर problems आने वाले हैं. So yes, only three cases. ये three cases अगर आपने perfect कर लिया है, so definitely you can solve the problem and score good marks in this construction chapter. So let's discuss in the detail how triangle can be constructed for these three cases. First case, okay, write this in your book. To construct a triangle whose base and a base angle and sum of other two sides are given. क्या क्या दिया है? Base दिया है, base angle दिया है, and sum of the other two sides. देखो यहाँ पे, to construct a triangle whose base this is given. So given the base BC, okay, ये BC इतना लेंथ है करके दिए है, say BC is 7 centimeter, Okay, a base angle B is given. Say B is somewhat 60 degrees, and they have given BA plus AC और AB plus AC. ये दोनों साइड के लेंथ उन लोग ने ऐड करके दिए हैं. Okay, so yes, so how to construct this? Okay, so the first step is draw this base BC. Okay, जितना सेंटीमीटर है so उतना सेंटीमीटर हमें निकालना है. Then we need to draw this angle B. Draw a ray BX such that angle XBC is equal to the given angle B. Okay, this is the second step. Now cut the given line segment BX, okay, like BD, which is equal to AB plus AC on the ray BX. BX के ऊपर AB plus AC कितना देते हैं उतना हमें करना है कट. Okay, so yes, after drawing a arc here, देखो यहाँ पे, let me show you. After drawing with B as a center and BD as a radius, you cut an arc. Now from this point D you join C. Okay, join कर लिया. Now check this angle, measure this angle. ये angle कितना है? Okay, उतना ही angle ये draw करो. Okay, how to draw this? You draw an arc and ये जो length है, ये जो length है, उतना length को ऐसा cut कर दो. To join this, now you have made AD is equal to AC. So हो गया. So total is BD. BD is nothing but BA plus AD, and now we have made AD is equal to AC. It is isosceles triangle. तो हो गया. BAC is equal to AB plus AC. Yes. So yes, you should use a geometry box for this, Shruti. So yes, if you have a geometry box with you, that is well and good. Otherwise, pay attention here. Today I will use a software and solve the same problem. देखो यहाँ पे अभी same problem करते हैं हम. Okay, so to construct this triangles, what are the tools required? We require only two tools. That is a compass. अच्छा, एक compass चाहिए हमें and a ruler. Okay, so yes, so I will give you a question like this, or let me check whether there is a next question like this. If there is a question based on this, let me solve that. Let me solve that. Okay, so yes, so we don't have that question right now. It is in the later slides. So yes, let us solve this. So yes, I am telling you to construct a triangle. Okay, to construct a triangle whose base is 7 centimeter and his sum of the other two sides is 14 centimeter, and the base angle is 60 degree. So let us draw a rough diagram first. Okay, so let BC be the base, and that is 7 centimeter, and angle B is given as 60 centimeter. How much is AB plus AC? दिए है sum of the other two sides, that is 14 centimeter. ये हमें draw करना है. Now how to draw this? Pay attention over here. Okay, see the steps. Yes, the first step is draw the base BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, so yes, I'm drawing this base BC is equal to 7 centimeter. देखो यहाँ पे. Okay, yes, I have drawn this, and let me lock this, otherwise it will move. Okay, and next I need to draw angle B as 60 centimeter. Yes, we have learned this in the past class. Okay, like how to draw a 60-degree angle. So place your this here. Okay, place your compass here. Okay, you draw an arc. Okay, draw an arc. of any radius. Okay, now keep your compass there on this arc and you draw one more arc. Okay, yes. So yes, after joining this, okay, you have got 60-degree angles. So the first step देखो यहाँ पे, what is the first step? Let BC be the base, which is equal to 7 centimeter. Then draw a ray. Hmm, draw a ray BX, which is equal to hmm, draw any ray at an angle 60 degrees. ठीक है, so yes, so ये ray मुझे बड़ा ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. So yes, I will draw this again, passing through this arc. I have drawn this ray. Okay, I have drawn this ray BX. Yes, this is BX. Now, what are the sum of the other two sides? Sum of the other two sides is 14. तो हमें ओके 14 डिग्री 14 लेंथ पे एक आर्क ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो यस, place this compass over here and so at a length of 14 I need to draw an arc like this. Okay, ऐसा एक आर्क ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा हमें. Understood this step? Second step, AB plus AC is 14. So at the length of 14, okay, so you place your compass here and it should be 14. Okay, so इसको रख के 14 measure करो. 14 आने के बाद okay, you draw an arc. Okay, so yes, now for the purpose of illustration I will draw a rough diagram. Okay, see that, like how I will draw that 14. देखो यहाँ पे. Okay, yes, I'm keeping my this here. This is not required for a while, so yes, I will keep it here. And yes, this. Okay, so it will intersect here, means okay. Now how much is this? Okay, let this be equal to D. Okay, so ये हम लोग इसको पॉइंट D बोलेंगे. Now of what is BD? BD is nothing but AB plus AC, which is equal to 14 centimeters. Now from D point, okay, join this point C. From this D point, join this point C. Measure how much is this angle. Angle कैसे measure करते हैं देखो यहाँ पे. Okay, so yes, place your protractor here. Okay, at this point and draw this arc. Okay, so yes, draw this arc. Okay, and measure this distance. See देखो यहाँ पे distance from this point to this point. Okay, so yes, ये जो arc distance है वो measure करो, measure those. Okay, now I have measured this distance. Now with the same distance जो हमने measure किया है, okay, now place this compass somewhere at the point C. Okay, place this compass at the point C. हमने place कर दिया है. Okay, and draw an arc again. Yes, हमने arc draw किया है and at this point, okay, this point, keep your compass at this point, see where I am keeping, and draw one more arc. Okay, now see where they are meeting. Okay, so yes, From there, you draw a line passing through this intersection. So what have we constructed is we have constructed this angle. So let me say this point as A. So angle ACD we have made equal to angle ADC. This angle we have made. Now this is the point A. So ABC is the required triangle. Okay. So these are the dimensions. Now you can check. You can keep your scale and check. Okay, and AB plus AC will be equal to 14, which was earlier BD was equal to 14. So ऐसा solve करते हैं. This is how we draw a triangle. Yes, understood. Any doubts in this? So should we proceed with the next case? The second case is, okay, all these things we have done. Yes. Second case, if AB is greater than AC, given that AB minus AC. Previously, they had given us on the sum of the two sides. Okay, now what they have given? They have given us a difference of two sides. कैसे करना है? Okay, they have given the base length. They have given the base angle. How to do this? First, draw BC. Okay, the given required length जो भी है BC draw करो. Then draw a ray BX. Okay, so draw a ray BX such that angle XBC is equal to the given base angle. जो भी base angle दिए है वो base angle draw करो. Now, what have they given? What have they given? They have given the difference of two sides. AB minus AC दिया है where AB is greater. So what you need to do is, first, on this ray, you mark the point D with the compass. Okay, जो भी AB minus AD है वो compass लेके उतना distance पे draw that arc on this ray BD and let that point of intersection be point D. Now join this point D and C. ये D and C join कर लिया? Yes. Now after joining D and C, we need to draw a perpendicular bisector to DC. Perpendicular bisector कैसे निकालते हैं? Compass रखो at as D as a center and with any radius more than half of DC, you draw an arc here with C as a center and with the same radius which we had drawn previously. This arc, draw another arc. Okay, ऊपर भी draw करना है, नीचे भी करना है, ऊपर भी करना है, नीचे भी करना है. Join those things. Okay, extend this angle upwards such that it meets the ray BX. So that point of intersection, let us call it as A. You join AC. So ABC is the required triangle. ऐसे करते हैं हम. Okay, so this is how we do this. Yes, the same steps. Now, case 3, okay. So if AB is less than AC, previously देखो यहाँ पे AB greater था, yes, greater दिख रहा है, AB greater था. Now in this case, if AC is greater, AC greater है तो क्या करना है हमें? Okay, देखो same steps. First ये base बनाओ, draw this line BC, then draw this base angle XBC equal to the given base angle. Now, okay, so next thing what you need to do is extend this ray XB backwards. Okay, such that till point D, such that BD is equal to AC minus AB. इस बार AC बड़ा है, राइट? सो AC minus AB जितना भी आया से 2 centimeters, extend this back. यहाँ पे कंपास रखना है, draw this arc on this line and that point will be D. Now join DC. Okay, DC join कर लिया. Now draw a perpendicular bisector to DC. कैसा करना है? Okay, take your compass, place the compass at the point D and draw an arc up and downwards with the radius greater than half of DC. हाफ ऑफ डीसी लेंथ से हम लोग को यहाँ पे एक आर्क, यहाँ पे एक आर्क ड्रॉ करना है, फिर यहाँ पे एट पॉइंट सी पे रख के C as a center, we need to draw this and draw this perpendicular bisector. Wherever this perpendicular bisector intersects this ray XB, that point is A. So join AC. So ABC is the required triangle. This is the third case. Okay, and the last case. Okay, total 4 cases है. Okay, when sum of two sides are given, when the difference of two sides are given, दो cases है difference of two sides, when sum of all the three sides are given, कैसे बनाना है हमें triangle? When sum of all the three sides are given and two base angles are given, how to construct a triangle? देखो यहाँ पे the first step, draw a line xy equal to sum of all the three sides, AB plus BC plus AC कितना आता है? XY हमें ड्रॉ करना है. Now draw an angle X LXY and MYX as the given base angle. जो भी base angle दिए है, okay, वो हमें ड्रॉ करना है. Then the next step is draw a perpendicular angular bisector. देखो यहाँ पे XA is a angular bisector of LXY and AY is a perpendicular bisector of MYX. Okay, ये दोनों perpendicular bisector they will meet at point A. Okay, let them meet at point A. Now draw perpendicular bisector of XA, draw perpendicular bisector of AY. Okay, wherever they meet on this rays LX and MY. So yes, so not that point. So wherever they are meeting this on the XY line, okay, जहां पे भी वो XY line पे meet कर रहे हैं, mark them as point B and C. So ABC is the required triangle. Yes, this is the steps how to construct a triangle when all the three sides are given. Yes, if you have any doubts, ask me. Now is the time. Otherwise, let us construct this triangle. Okay, let us open our geometry app again and solve this. So construct a triangle ABC in which angle B is given 60 degrees, angle C is given 45 degrees, and AB plus BC plus CA is 11 degrees. Okay, let me write this. Angle B is 60, angle C is 45. Sum of all the sides is 11 centimeter. Achha. Okay, so yes, let us construct this. देखो यहाँ पे ठीक से देखो, ध्यान से देखो students. Yes. So the instruments required for constructions are only three things. That is, first one is a ruler, okay, and second one is a compass, third one is a pencil attached to this compass. ये तीन चीज चाहिए, ruler, compass and a pencil. So yes, so what have they given? क्या दिया है? So they have given angle B is equal to 60 degrees, angle C is equal to 45 degrees, angle C is equal to 45 degrees, and AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 11. So what is the first step? First step is to draw a base equal to 11 centimeter. Draw XY equal to 11 centimeter. ठीक है, हमने ड्रॉ किया है XY कितना सेंटीमीटर है, ये 11 centimeter. Now at the point X you draw this angle B. How to draw angle B? Okay, how to draw 60 degree angles with the help of this compass. देखो कैसे ड्रॉ करना है. Yes, so place this compass at the point X and with X as a center, and with any radius you draw an arc like this. Now place this compass at the point where this arc intersects the line xy. वहां पे रखो and draw one more arc. This angle students, how much is this equal to? This angle, if I join this, if I draw a ray from x and passing through this point, and if I measure, that will be 60 degrees. Okay, you can check using a protractor. So this angle is 60 degrees. What about the angle C? Angle C is 45 degrees. Now 45 degrees को कैसा ड्रॉ करना है हमने? How did I teach you in the previous class? Okay, so place this cursor at the point Y. Okay, let me lock this, otherwise it will move. Okay, yes. Now देखो यहाँ पे, देखो यहाँ पे. Okay, so yes. Now I will draw this arc. Okay, let me draw a smaller arc. Yes. Okay, yes. Now place this compass at this arc. Okay, मैंने यहाँ पे रख दिया है and draw some arcs. Draw two arcs. Okay, कैसे ड्रॉ करना है देखो यहाँ पे. Yes. एक यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करना है. Now place this compass over here. And draw one more arc. देखो ये कहाँ पे intersect हो गया है. Yes. Now these are the 2 points where it has been intersect. Okay, yes. Now place this compass again at those two intersection points. Okay, वो जो भी intersection points है वहां पे रखना है and again draw two arcs like this. See here. Okay, यहाँ पे एक है and yes, यहाँ पे एक है. Yes. So yes, did you get this? Now, after getting this, if you join this, you get a 90-degree angle. कितना मिलेगा तुम्हें? You will get a 90-degree angle. Now, after getting 90-degree angle, do we want 90 degree? No, we don't want 90 degree. We want 45 degrees. So 45 degree angle 90 को bisect करो, you will get 45 degrees. So yes, let us bisect this 90-degree angle to get 45 degrees. Yes, I will draw this arc here. ठीक है? Let me draw this arc completely. Okay, yes. Now bisect this arc. Bisect this arc. Okay, with the same radius. Keep your with this as a center. Now you draw an arc. Okay, एक देखो यहाँ पे मैंने arc ऐसा किया है. Now with this as a center. Okay, just wait for a minute guys. Yes, बहुत परेशान कर रहा है ये मुझे. Yes, आ गया. With this as a center now, draw an arc again. Okay, yes, देखो यहाँ पे वो arc बन गया है यहाँ पे. Yes, now this is over. It is intersecting there. So join this, join this, join this arc. Okay, so this is 45 degrees. Let me call this as C. Let me call this as D. Okay, so yes, how much is C X Y? It is 60 degrees. How much is X Y D? That is 45 degrees. हो गया है. So this angle should be equal to angle B. This angle should be equal to angle C. Okay, यहाँ पे C use किया है, तो we will use some other notations. We will use G and H. Okay. Now bisect these two angles. Okay, ये 60 डिग्री को अगेन हमें करना है bisect. कैसे करना है bisect? 60 का हाफ. Okay, with after drawing this with the same or radius more than half, you draw this arc. Okay, draw this arc. यहाँ पे एक एंड यहाँ पे अपना कर्सर रखो. ओके, सो यहाँ पे एक. सो यस, सी दिस. Okay, this I have bisected it. Now that is half of 60. जो भी 60 है ये 60 का half है. Okay, yes. So let me quickly. Okay, this is troubling me again. Not the line. Okay. Okay, now let me join this. So if I join this line, okay, so this angle will be 30 degrees. Okay, and if I bisect 45, again use the same procedure, guys. Okay, हमें same procedure use करना है. Okay, just a minute, give me a minute, guys. Let me deal with this. Okay, वो move नहीं हो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं. So again bisect this. So draw two arcs and somewhat you will get 45 degrees again. Okay, 45 का half है 22.5. So this two lines. Now you have got this two lines. Okay, so yes, what we need to do. Okay, ये जो जहाँ पे meet हो रहे हैं, let them meet. Okay, so let them intersect. Okay, so you need to draw big lines. देखो, this is 22 and this are meeting, so this point will be point A. Okay, ये अपना point A है. Now XA and YA, XA and YA को क्या करना है, हमें परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बनाना है. कैसे बनाना है देखो यहाँ पे. यस, okay, with more than half the length of XA, more than half the length of XA, you draw two arcs, top and bottom. देखो यहाँ पे मैंने two arcs निकाले हैं. Okay, one at the bottom and one at the top. With A as a center now, guys, with A as a center, again with the same radius, you draw two arcs. यहाँ पे एक आर्क ड्रॉ किया है, यहाँ पे एक आर्क ड्रॉ किया है. ओके, एंड ज्वाइन देम. ज्वाइन करो. यस, so the point which it will meet on x-axis, call it as point B. Same thing you do with the AY. Okay, AY के साथ भी same करना है हमें. And yes, you can draw one more perpendicular bisector here. Okay, so it will meet somewhere at XY. Let us call this point as C. Now join ABC. Okay, so AB plus AC plus BC. If you check this triangle out, okay, so AB plus BC plus CA, that will be equal to 11 centimeter. This is how we construct a triangle. Yes, understood, guys. If you have understood this, that is well and good. And if you have not understand, see the video again carefully, you will understand this. Yes, so this were the steps जो हमने किए हैं. Okay, सही किए हैं हम. Yes. Now these are the homework for you guys. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 7 centimeter, angle B is 75 degrees, and AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeter. कैसे करना है? फर्स्ट यू ड्रॉ अ बेस BC, then you draw angle 75. How to draw angle 75? It is nothing but 60 plus 15. तो दो 60 बनाने, एक 60 बनाया, दूसरा 60 बनाया, वो दूसरा 60 को बाइसेक्ट करो, 30 आएगा, 30 को बाइसेक्ट करो, 15 आएगा, एड दैट 15 एंड दिस 16, यू गेट 75 डिग्रीज। अच्छा, यस, एंड जो मैंने केस वन में सिखाया वो करना है। ओके, एंड यस, व्हाट अबाउट दिस, द सेम स्टेप्स, दिस इज केस टू, जो केस टू में मैंने सिखाया वो करना है हमें। सो यस, दिस इज अ फन फैक्ट, and you read this out. So what have we learned today, guys? We have recalled about the angular bisector, we have recalled about the perpendicular bisectors, and we have learned how to construct the triangles. Okay, where four different cases, ये फोर डिफरेंट केसेस के ऊपर हमने ट्राइंगल कैसे बनाते हैं करके पढ़ा है। Okay, so yes, we will stop here. These are your homeworks also. Okay, solve this, pause this, and solve this. So yes, thank you. Anything else you want to ask me, comment in the chat so that I will solve those questions or your queries in the next class. Okay, so we will stop here, guys.